Hello, children. I am Karishma Nathani, welcoming you to the e-learning class. Today, we are going to learn letter writing. How to write letter. What is letter? How to write letter and types of letter. What is letter? When we want to communicate information or goodwill to someone, means we want to share something to someone who is far away from us, we will write letters. There are two types of letters. First is formal letters. Letters written to the people who are not our close relatives. It is written for business or any official communication are called formal letters. Formal letters can be written in a formal language with a specific structure and layout. Informal letters. Letters written to friends or relatives are called informal letters. There are no specific structure or any formal language. Formal letters. This is the layout of formal letter. First is heading. Heading contains the writer's address, receiver's address and date. Greeting. To address the person you are writing to by his or her name. Means dear, respected, whatever. Subject. Subject of letter for what we are writing. Body part. It contains the message of the letter. Closing. To say goodbye, which is conclusion of the letter. Signature. To say the name of the writer and writer's signature. Layout of informal letters. Heading contains the writer's address and date. Here, address is not necessary, only date we can write. Greeting. To address the person you are writing to by his or her name with dear or respected. Body part contains the message of the letter. Here we don't have to write subject of the letter. Closing. To say goodbye, which is conclusion of the letter. Signature. To say the name of the writer. Here it is not compulsory to put your signature after your name, but in formal letters it is compulsory. Now let us understand the concept of letter with the example letter, which is informal letter. Here a girl named Prerna write a letter to his cousin Hemant to invite him to celebrate Diwali. So let us start. Sardar Patel Educational Institute, Kalbibid, Bhavnagar. Here you have to write your own address. Then date 26th of September 2020, Saturday. Now we have to write greeting for a letter. Dear Hemant. Dear Hemant is greeting. Now let us start with body part. This brief paragraph known as body part of the letter. It has been long since I have heard from you. How have you been? I hope your school and judo classes are going well. As you know, it has been a long time since you came to Bhavnagar and I was wondering if you would spend Diwali with us this year. Now, blank part is there, we have to complete the paragraph. So, let us continue in our own words. I know your love for nature. We will celebrate totally pollution free. We will have all the fun here in the lap of nature. You will be surprised to see how beautiful the houses and buildings look. After the festival, I will take you to Gopnath Bungalow. We will spend a day there. Give my love to uncle and auntie and write back to me soon. Yours truly, Prerna. Here, yours truly, Prerna is a closing part of the letter. Here, we have to write yours. We can write truly, lovely, whatever, and name of letter writer. Now, pick a topic to write a letter in your own words. Thank you.